Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to master Google Photos in 2026. Google Photos is much more than just a place to store your pictures. It helps you organize, search, share, and manage your entire photo library from one place. First, open Google Photos in your web browser and sign in with your Google account. On the Photos page, you'll find all of your backed up photos and videos. Click on any photo to open it, view it in full screen, and zoom in for a closer look. When you're done, simply return to your library. Next, use the search bar at the top to quickly find photos by keywords, places, dates, or people if those features are available in your account. Now, open albums to organize your photos into collections, making them easier to browse and manage. After that, open Favorites to view photos you've marked as favorites for quick access. If you've shared photos or albums with others, click Shared to see all of your shared content in one place. You can also check sections like Explore, Trash, and Locked Folder, depending on the features available in your Google Photos account. Next, click the Settings icon to review your available preferences. If you're running out of space, open Manage Storage to check your storage usage and remove unnecessary files. By learning these features, you can organize your photos more efficiently, find them faster, and manage your Google Photos library with ease. That's it. You've successfully learned how to master Google Photos in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.